In today's video, I'll share the recipe of delicious Indian style mushroom masala curry, exactly the way we get in restaurants. It's one of my favorite combination, and as you can see, the curry has turned out to be really creamy and delicious. Very few ingredients I'll be using, basic ingredients, but the taste will be awesome. Stay tuned for the entire recipe. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. Let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this recipe, I will be using here poppy seeds. It's around 1 tablespoon. These I'll add to a blender, and to it I'll be adding few cashew nuts, 6 to 7 of cashew nuts. We need to make a fine paste out of this. So to make a fine paste, first we'll dry grind them. This trick always works for me. Water 3 tablespoons goes in, and again I'll blend it to a fine paste. To it I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of thick curd, and then I'll just blend it for few seconds, and this turns out to be a nice white creamy consistency puree. I'll keep it aside. In the same blender, I'll add 2 medium size of onion, that is roughly chopped. I'll make a fine puree out of it, and then to it ginger 1 inch, garlic 8 to 9 cloves, and 2 green chili. I'll be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, and when nice puree of ginger, garlic and green chili is ready, in the same blender again I'll be adding 1 large tomato, and I'll just blend it and make a nice puree. Now for this recipe I have taken here around half a kg of mushroom. These are the local mushroom. You can take button mushrooms. These are organic and local grown mushrooms, and I have nicely washed them and patted them dry. These are ready to be used. So let's begin. In a kadhai or pan, I have heated it on medium flame, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil goes in, and to this I'll be adding few whole dried spices, cardamom 2, cinnamon half inch, cloves 2 to 3 and bay leaves goes in. Just saute for 30 seconds, and then I'll be adding the onion puree. I'll semi cover this pan so that this onion puree doesn't splatter back. So nicely I'll saute this till it turns light brown color. In this way the onions have caramelized. Once it attains this stage, I'll be adding the ginger, garlic, green chili paste, and again mix them in medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes till it starts to release oil. And to this I'll be adding red chilli powder, Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, the basic spices of Indian cooking, the cumin powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. This goes in, mix everything, and I'll just roast for 2 to 3 minutes more. You can see I have used very less amount of oil. So if you want, you can increase the amount of oil, but for me it's perfect. Kasuri, Methi or Fenugreek leaves 2 pinch I'll be adding, and during this roasting process, and rest I'll be adding at last. Adding this gives a very nice aroma. Then I'll be adding tomato puree. Some salt goes in at this stage according to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix, and now the base has been looking great. You can see the color is tempting. And to cook this masala base properly, I'll just cover it and let it simmer in low flame for around 5 to 6 minutes more. And after 5 to 6 minutes, oil has started to pop out. You can see it's perfectly done. A nice aroma is coming. At this stage I'll be adding mushrooms, but before that I'll increase the flame and add the mushrooms. So make sure before adding mushrooms you increase the flame, because mushrooms should be sauteed with this masalas in high flame. Give it a mix for around 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll cover it in high flame. In high flame for just 1 to 2 minutes, and in 1 to 2 minutes these mushrooms will start to release their moisture. It's perfectly done. You can see it has nicely moisturized, and at this stage goes the creamy white puree, and water around half a cup I'll be adding, because mushroom will still release its moisture. Give it a mix, adjust salt accordingly, and you can see the appearance has started to look as that of restaurant style. And once it starts to bubble out, add some garam masala powder. It's my homemade garam masala powder. Give it a mix. As I said, you can adjust salt at this stage, and then reduce the flame to minimum and let this simmer so that all the creaminess of cashews, spices intermingles, and this mushroom will have a very nice creamy gravy. This is what I was talking about. Mushroom has released its moisture, and this curry is almost done. And to finish it up, I'll adding some capsicum. 1 medium sized capsicum I have added. Some more kasuri methi or fenugreek seeds, and butter 1 tablespoon goes in. Give it a mix. Mushroom takes just 10 to 12 minutes to cook, so it's very quick and easy to make this delicious curry. And our restaurant style creamy super delicious mushroom masala curry is ready. So now I've served this delicious mushroom curry, and you can see how creamy it has turned out. Goes very well with some hot roti, naan, paratha, or even some fried rice. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Amelia. She writes, let's only take a moment to appreciate how much hours and work she puts in this video. It's unbelievable, and I think they deserve a lot more than that. Thank you so much, Amelia, for your beautiful comment. I am so glad you loved my video. She has actually commented on the recipe of soft ragi idlis, and yes, that video does take time and patience. Thank you so much for noticing. And for today's recipe is this delicious restaurant style Indian flavored mushroom masala curry. Do give it a try. I hope you have liked my videos. If you have liked the videos, do consider to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Khus Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.